Ni hao, lopal, lopanyang, good day. Wojao Maria Teresa Lor. I am 45 years old. Woyo Ikonwer, she is 16 years old. And Woyo Sangha Titi and Woyo Sangha Meme. As of now, I am here in Taiwan working as caretaker. But before, I also have experience working in Hong Kong for 4 years with one employer. Household chores, I Chufan, I seafood, Tasao, salty pan, toti pan, chu tang, and also sanggo ying and wo chu bei nhu nai and wo wan ya pu, wan yi pu, and also I play with him. I also can do marketing.